So, welcome. I'm outside in my yard in the middle of nowhere. Got some thunder going on. It was storming pretty bad earlier, but a couple months ago I found a bird nest in my LP tank. And so on this, I guess, episode of Guitar Practice with Nate, there isn't going to be a guitar, but I did think it was interesting, the whole bird nesting thing. So I wanted to come check and see if the birds were still there, and I lifted up the LP tank lid and they were gone. So we have an empty nest in our LP tank now, as you can see here. So, interesting stuff going out in here. And my backyard, or I guess my side yard, is a cornfield. Maybe I'll go play in the cornfield one day. I'll go ask the neighbor and say, hey, can I do a concert in your cornfield? That'd be cool, huh? But probably not. Anyways, I'll play next to the cornfield. And next time there'll be a little more music, but I just wanted to show the cool bird nest that I found. And I will, I guess, see everybody later on Guitar